In an AMG vehicle with an M133 engine, you want to renew the spark plugs. We have a few important tips. Turn off the ignition and open the hood. To get access to the ignition coils, first remove the engine cover. Then set aside the vent hoses, the coolant hose, the boost pressure control, and the lambda probe so that you can work on the ignition coils. Use suitable plugs to seal the openings so no dirt or foreign objects can get into the engine. Now remove the ignition coils. To show you how it's done, we remove the first two. Carefully unclip the plug connections of the coils. Then take the ignition coils out. Before you remove the spark plugs, check whether any dirt is in the shafts. If this is the case, blow out the spark plug shaft with compressed air to remove any dirt. Be sure to wear safety glasses. If this doesn't completely remove the dirt, use a suitable cleaning fluid and blow out the spark plug shafts again. Once the shafts are completely clean, you can remove the spark plugs. Using a spark plug wrench, remove them from the cylinder head. Once you've removed the spark plugs, you need this adapter set. Connect the hose to a standard vacuum cleaner. Use this to clean out the spark plug shafts. Once the shafts are clean, you can install the new spark plugs. Using the spark plug wrench, screw them into the cylinder head. And tighten with 22 Newton-meters of torque. Put the ignition coils in the slots and plug in the connectors. The remaining installation takes place in the reverse order.